I'm Debra Borchardt, and this is your midday market update. When we look at the indices, well, everything's green right now. The S&P 500, the Dow, the NASDAQ is down just a little bit. What we're also looking at right now is the amount of investors going into stock-based mutual funds. And joining me now is Alan Valdes. Alan, when I look at these numbers, $45 billion has gone into stock-based mutual funds in October. We haven't seen numbers like that since the tech bubble of 2000. And so are we starting to get into like an investor mania moment?
You know, it seems that way. You know, you got the S&P up 24% for the year, so you are seeing a lot of people come in. It is looking like that bubble from the tech thing. But at the same time, if you look at the bond fund, mutual bond funds, they're even getting a lot of money going in. So I'm not that worried yet. When I see money come out of the bond funds into the equity funds, then I'm getting a little concerned. But right now, it is getting kind of bubbly. I'll be honest with you. It's amazing.
Now, even if, let's say, they have that number for the rest of the year, we're still going to see an all-time record for stock fund inflows in a single year, and that is just, these are crazy numbers.
Totally crazy. I've never seen it in my life. But at the same time, I mean, to be up 24%, where are people going to put their money? They have to come here. And again, it goes back to the Fed with that $85 billion a month plugging into the equity markets. There's nowhere else for this market to go but up for the conceivable future. And that's my worry, is that everyone knows it's going to go up, so you know it's got to go down eventually. You know?
Well, isn't this normally a contrarian indicator?
Yes, there's no question about it. And it's getting to that point where it's getting very scary. I'm worried.
Are you worried for 2014? Do you feel like this year is pretty safe?
Well, you know, I think this year's safe. I think we'll see a continuation of this. I don't think the Feds can cut back. Even though that jobs number was a lot better than we expected, I still think overall you got 49 million people having a tough time out there. I don't see the Feds pulling back. Not to mention, they still haven't done anything with the budget. We keep forgetting that they haven't even met till December to talk about the budget in February. So overall, a lot could happen right here, so I don't see the Feds cutting back this $85 billion till the earliest March, and that's going to keep this rally going.
All right, well, it sounds like we're going to have to get our sell buttons ready to go at the end of December so we can gear up for 2014. That's Alan Valdes from DME Securities, and I'm Debra Borchardt with TheStreet.